Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, you're going to learn how Americans really talk in daily life. This is not textbook English. This is not classroom English. This is real, natural American English that people use every single day at work, at coffee shops, on the street, and in casual conversations. If you understand English but feel nervous when speaking, or if you want to sound more natural and confident, this video will help you. Take your time, listen carefully, and try to repeat after me when you can. Let's begin. Here part 1. How Americans greet each other. In daily life, Americans keep greetings short and simple. They usually do not say long, formal sentences. Instead of saying, "Hello, how are you doing today?" Americans usually say, "Hey," "Hi," "What's up?" "How's it going?" These greetings sound relaxed and friendly. "What's up?" does not mean something is physically up. It simply means, "Hello." "How are you?" Common replies. Here are some very common replies. Not much. All good. Pretty good. Can't complain. Doing okay. You do not need to give details. Short answers are normal in American English. Part 2. The culture of small talk. Small talk is extremely important in American culture. Americans use small talk to be polite, friendly, and respectful. Small talk is not about deep emotions. It is not about personal problems. It is simply a way to connect without becoming too personal. Small talk topic 1. Weather. Weather is the most common small talk topic. You can say, "Nice weather today," right? "It's really hot today. It's cold out there." "Looks like it might rain." The other person usually agrees and the conversation feels natural. Small talk topic 2. Daily life. Americans often ask simple questions like, "How's your day going?" "How's everything?" "How's work?" Simple answers are perfect. Good. Pretty good. Not bad. Busy, but good. Then you can politely ask back, "How about you?" This shows friendliness. Part 3. Talking about work. Talking about work is very common in the USA. A common question is, "So what do you do?" You do not need a long answer. Simple answers sound natural. "I work online." "I'm a student." "I work in retail." "I'm in tech." You do not need to explain your full job history. Part 4. Topics to avoid in the USA. Some topics can feel uncomfortable in American culture. You should avoid asking about salary, age, marriage, religion, politics, personal problems. These questions may feel too personal, especially with people you don't know well. Part 5. Daily life English. Shopping and coffee. Let's talk about everyday situations. For example, ordering coffee. A natural sentence is, "Hi, can I get a coffee, please?" You may hear questions like, "What can I get for you?" "For here or to go?" "Anything else?" For here means you will stay. To go means takeaway. Natural responses are, "To go, please." "That's all, thanks." That's it. Very simple. Very common. Part 6. Friendly but not too close. Americans often sound friendly even with strangers. This does not always mean they want a deep friendship. You might hear, "Hey, how's it going?" "How's your day?" A short reply is perfect. Good. Not bad. Pretty good. Long personal stories are usually not expected in casual conversations. Part 7. Common American phrases. Here are some phrases Americans use every day. That sounds good. No worries. That works for me. I'm down. Let's see. Give me a second. I'll let you know. Sounds great. I'm not sure yet. Using these phrases will make your English sound natural. Part 8. Polite English in the USA. Politeness is very important. Common polite words include please, thank you, thanks, excuse me, sorry. For example, excuse me, can you help me? Sorry about that. Thanks, I appreciate it. These small words matter a lot. Part 9. Common mistakes and natural corrections. Many learners translate directly from their native language. Instead of saying, I'm going market, say, I'm going to the store. Instead of saying, do you eat rice? Say, what do you like to eat? Instead of saying, I did mistake, say, I made a mistake. Small changes create big improvements. Core 10. Confidence and mindset. You do not need perfect English to speak confidently. Americans care more about clarity than perfection. Mistakes are normal. Even native speakers make mistakes. The more you speak, the better you will become. Now you understand how Americans really speak in daily life. Focus on simple sentences. Focus on listening. Focus on confidence. Practice every day, even for a few minutes. Thank you for spending time with me today, and I'll see you in the next video.